An adventure.
Is a great inspiration for me.
A way to meet new people, to discover new places, new experiences.
And it's great to meet each other, to communicate not only with English language but also with language of our cultures.
To be friends with nature.
It's a really great experience.
Inspiration.
Our study visit, Net with Friends, took place in Lecce in the last 10 days of May, and it involved 24 youth workers from 12 different countries of both Europe and Caucasus area. In the first 2 days, we have introduced and explained the project and its aim to the participants, and then we started with one of the most important pieces of the project, the getting to know each other part, with names, ice-breaking and team-building games, which are fundamental to create harmony and union among the participants. In fact, we have repeated them for every activity. Another very important brick to build up a fantastic project have been the Intercultural Nights, in which every country has presented and offered typical themes from its own land, from food and drinks to folk dances and songs. Every project is determined by the mood of the group, and happy group works 1000 times better than an unhappy one.
All the grass in the middle!